The government has allocated more than $100 million to address the water crisis over the next 4 weeks. An update was given at today's post-cabinet press briefing.
Citizens in St. Mary, Portland and St. Thomas who have been worst affected by the water restrictions are expected to get some relief within the next few weeks.
The government would have approved on Monday $150 million Jamaican dollars to increase emergency response over the coming 4 weeks. Now, it is focused primarily on eastern parishes, but where there are issues with some water systems outside of the east, we will also give residents the support that they desperately need.
In May, there were a series of protests in sections of Portland over the lack of water and the inadequate water trucking services. Coupled with that, the heat and road construction that made their plight worse.
Last week, me there, doctor. Last week, Monday, the whole are inside of me. The dust and the bed, every month. Look here. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look there. You can write your name. Every morning, me come here, me have to wash down and clean down.
No water. Can't do nothing. Water. They have to come with some water now.
Minister with responsibility for water, Matthew Samuda, gave a breakdown of the allocation.
$80 million going to the National Water Commission to increase trucking to critical infrastructure, certainly your hospitals, your schools, your health centres, and indeed homes for the aged, as well as communities along the utility footprint. We've also allocated $10 million Jamaican dollars to the National Irrigation Commission to help with some trucking in the hills of St. Catherine, Clarendon, St. Mary and St. Anne.
$60 million will be allocated to the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development to assist with the Rural Water Resilience Tank Program. 50,000 black tanks are to be given to the most vulnerable citizens.
So we're not just getting the tanks and issuing the tanks just like that. It is based on investigation. It is based on a needs basis. And this program we expect to roll out in the middle of October.
But the program was set to launch in September. We asked what caused the delay.
I expect contract award within a matter of 2 weeks, and we are going through now the analysis process, having had the recommendations coming from constituencies to be able to roll out. So end of September, early October, not much different.
I mean, it is different if you're looking at...
It's not much different though, so we agree to disagree.
Jamaica is experiencing one of the worst dry spells since 2015. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
As